Imagine a world where machines diagnose diseases with pinpoint accuracy. Picture robots performing complex surgeries with superhuman precision. This is not science fiction. This is the potential future ushered in by artificial intelligence, or AI. AI is rapidly evolving, learning, and changing our world in ways we are only beginning to understand. This powerful technology offers tremendous promise but also presents significant risks that we must carefully consider. The question is not whether AI will change our lives, but how. Will it lead us to a utopia of abundance and leisure, or to a dystopia of mass unemployment and social unrest? The answer, most likely, lies somewhere in between. The future of AI is not predetermined. It is a future we must actively shape. AI is no longer a futuristic fantasy. It's here, embedded in our daily lives. We interact with AI when we ask Siri for directions or scroll through personalized recommendations on Netflix. Self-driving cars, once a distant dream, are now navigating our roads. These are just the first tentative steps of a technology with the potential to surpass human intelligence. AI learns by analyzing vast amounts of data, identifying patterns, and making decisions. As AI systems access more data and become more sophisticated, their abilities will grow exponentially. This rapid evolution is both exhilarating and unnerving. One of the most promising applications of AI is in healthcare. AI algorithms can analyze medical images like X-rays and MRIs with greater accuracy than human radiologists, enabling earlier and more accurate diagnoses. Imagine AI personal assistants monitoring patients' vital signs, predicting potential health risks, and alerting doctors to intervene before a crisis occurs. AI-powered prosthetics are already restoring mobility and independence to amputees, while AI-driven drug discovery promises to accelerate the development of life-saving medications. In the hands of skilled medical professionals, AI can be a powerful tool to alleviate suffering and extend human lifespans. Working smarter, not harder. AI is poised to revolutionize the way we work. Repetitive tasks in manufacturing, customer service, and data entry can be automated, freeing up human employees to focus on more creative and complex endeavors. Imagine AI assistants scheduling meetings, drafting emails, and even generating reports, giving us back valuable time to focus on strategic thinking and innovation. This increased efficiency could lead to a surge in productivity and economic growth. However, the transition to an AI-driven workplace will not be without its challenges. We must address the potential for job displacement and invest in retraining programs to equip workers with the skills needed to thrive in the future job market. The AI Muse. AI is not just a tool for efficiency, it's also becoming a partner in creativity. Musicians are using AI algorithms to compose new melodies and harmonies, exploring uncharted sonic territories. Writers are experimenting with AI-powered writing assistants that can generate different writing styles and even complete storylines. In the world of art and design, AI is being used to create stunning visuals, blurring the lines between human imagination and machine-generated art. While some fear that AI will replace human artists, others see it as a tool for collaboration, pushing the boundaries of artistic expression.